Hello everyone, myself Ashutosh Singh. I am a student of FMS IRM PGDM BM batch semester 2nd. Today I am going to do a presentation on case study. My case study is on the nature of management as a profession. To understand the nature of management as a profession, we first need to understand what a profession is. A profession is a paid occupation, especially one that involves prolonged training and a formal qualification. Management runs along the lines of a profession, although not exactly. Management exhibits many features that ensure that it is a part of professional universe. The management section of an organization has well-defined motives. These vary from organization to organization, like profit maximization, service, quality, etc. However, these motives are dynamic. Relevance with management subject. My case study is relevant to business studies and nature of management. SWOT analysis of a manager. Strengths of a manager include handling of large number of clients, reputation in execution or custody, high social competences. Weaknesses include lack of investment culture and track record, investment philosophy, and investment process of low importance. Opportunities include taxes are not an issue, large asset base per client or mandate, global market with minimal barriers. Threats are strong regulatory environment and intense global competition. Individual view on my case study. Management is considered as a profession as it contains the following characteristics of a profession. Well-defined body of knowledge. A profession has a certain basic set of knowledge that acts as instruction and can be acquired by practice. Restricted entry. One cannot simply just enter into a profession. Instead, there are some eligibility criteria like an examination which the person needs to pass in order to enter into a professional domain. For example, in India, a person becomes a CA only after they pass the examinations conducted by the ICAI. Professional association. Every profession is further the lookout of their respective associations. In simple words, in each profession is affiliated to a body, council or association that carries out functions like regulating entries, maintaining the code of conduct, grants certificates and so on. For example, the Bar Council of India controls the activities of all lawyers. Ethical code of conduct. There are certain ethics which the torchbearer of every profession has to abide by. These guide the behavior of the members. Service motive. Lastly, the aim of every profession is to serve the clients. Thus further means that a professional is required to render committed and dedicated service to ensure fulfillment of clients' interests. Conclusion. Management is considered as a profession because it consists of special knowledge, has formal training methods, fees, has a code of conduct, and has a representative organization. Management is a new branch of knowledge. It's developed a profession because of the need for acquiring skills to solve problems. Thus, it's not a full-fledged profession yet. Thank you.